Hey there, how about we play some Ultimate Firelink Explosion? I am on a 1-cent denom for now. This game is pretty fun. Sometimes it's really tight and sometimes it's pretty good, so I guess like most machines. We need to land 4 of those fireballs. And this cute little monkey sometimes gives us a little break and gives them to us. We'll see what he does today. Like that mini, it would have been nice if he would have helped us out. But we just love the challenge of the chase. If you're a slot player, that's what we like. How about we change to a 5-cent denom? There's one, and just one. Ooh, it's getting active. Maybe not active enough though. Three. Come on, 2, 3 again. We keep getting 3, or at least a couple times. We need 4. Hey little monkey, we need 4 of those. I think I'll switch to a 10-cent denom, see if that changes anything. I think we got the bonus. Yeah. I wasn't even sure if we got it. That's why I was kind of waiting to see. Free games, I guess. It would have been nice to get that mega. Look at that mega up there. I think we got 8 free games. No, 5 free games. We're already at 38 bucks. Okay. Maybe we'll get our money back at least. And yes, we did. $105 buckaroos. We made a little profit. We'll try a little bit more. See you next time. If you like this kind of content and you would like to see more, please subscribe, like, and share. I would truly appreciate it.